Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about hierarchical inheritance in Java. In hierarchical inheritance, one parent class can have multiple child classes. Like in example, we can have one parent class A and which has the child class B and C. And this creates one hierarchy of classes where both of the child classes can acquire the property of the parent class. So to create this hierarchy, first we're going to create the parent class A and then we're going to create the child class B. So we're going to write class B extends A. Similarly, we're going to create another child class C. So we're going to write class C extends A. This way both the child classes B and C will acquire the property of the class A. So in this example program we have one class A which has one member method, and this method prints the string class A method onto the console. And now we're going to make the class B as a child of class A, and this way the class B will also have access to the member method. So we're going to write class B extends A. Similarly, we have another class C. We are going to make that class as a child of class A. So we're going to write class C extends A. So we are making both B and C the child of the class A. This way both of these classes will have access to the members of the class A. So now we're going to create object of class B. Then I'm going to use that object and call the parent class method. Similarly, we're going to create object of class C and I'm going to use that object and call the parent class method. So I'm going to save the program and I'm going to compile and run the program. So you can see the output, the class A method string has been printed twice. So in this program we are creating one hierarchy of class where class A is the parent class and class B and class C are the child of the class A. So both of the class B and C will inherit the property of the class A. So that's why we are able to access the parent class method using the object of class B and object of class C. So this is the way we can create hierarchy of classes in Java. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.